Hi, and welcome to the channel. I am Jill. Here I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then stick around. So, if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you see something or hear something that inspires you to become part of the family. If you are already part of the JS family, hugs and blessings, hugs and blessings. You guys, so today is Saturday. I think it's the 5th. I think. I lose track of time all the time, but anyway. But it is like 26 degrees and it's like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's why I'm just kind of loungy like. But I wanted to bring you guys a video. So, you know what we're going to do? I got this box. We are going to do an unboxing. And then in another video, I will probably style these items. This is a Shein, and look, it is just bursting at the seams. Bursting at the seams. I don't know why. I guess they didn't have any more bigger because I have one other piece that was in this order that they sent separate. Just get a bigger box. But anyway, I'm a little concerned because I do believe there's a hat in here. So anyway, let's get to this and let's see. It took it a while to get here, which is not like Shein at all. And then once it did get here, I just kind of like pushed it over in a corner. So anyway, let's see here. You guys, I think the head is on top. Just a little flyer. Let's put that right there. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. What in the... Okay, you guys, I don't know. Because this is going to take some... look at this. Do you see this? That's why you put it in the proper size container. This thing... I don't know about this, y'all. I don't know if I can... look at that. I'm going to have to... I guess I'm going to have to play with this thing. Let's see. Look, what the? This thing needs to be boxed. It's, and I think I bought another hat from them. And I do believe I told myself that we would not do that again for this very reason, because it's all beat up by the time it gets to you, because they don't package it well. They don't. Oh, wow. Maybe if I leave it out and press it and play with it. And I got this thing on the back of my head. Man. Anyway, this piece here. I'm not happy about this. But anyway. Hat. Another little flyer. You get 15% off. That's if you, they want to text you. No, I got enough crazy texts. Okay, so, okay, this first package here. I'm fired up about that hat. I'm glad it didn't cost that much. Let's see. They didn't put the price on here. Anyway. So here we have a pair of jeans. And they are distressed, as you can see. Let's see. Down at the ankles. Oh, and they these have a lot of stretch. Oh my goodness, I wonder why I got these in a 3X. I hope I can fit them with all that stretch that's in here. Oh my. I don't know. We'll see when we do the try on, you guys. Okay, so that's that piece. Normally, I read the measurements. So it must have said that for my measurements, I needed a 3X. I saw the orange and got excited. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is a little top. This is going to be really cute. This is well, okay. Polyester 100%. And this is cute. This is cute. It's not quite a crop top, but it looks like it's collarless. Yes. That's cute. We are going to style some pieces. I can't believe they crammed that in that bag like that. Okay. So, let's just go ahead and do this. I love orange, you guys. I love a lot of colors. I'm one of those people that don't have a favorite color because I love a lot of colors. Okay. This is cute. Let me see. Let me screw back some so you can see. However, okay, this is going to be off the shoulder. It's kind of on the thin side. So we might have to save this for the spring. I don't know. When we, you guys, this is going to be cute. When we do the, when I do the try on, you guys will see. I got this in, well, I don't see a size. Okay, so again, I think this is going to be cute. And again, I don't see the size. But anyway, and it's like a midi. I don't know if you can see that. I do like midi dresses. I don't know. I just feel like they're super elegant. So I do love a midi dress. So that's this. And it's that piece. All these little pieces up. Now, what's these little pieces? What's that supposed to do? What, I mean, really? Okay, you guys, this is another pair of jeans. And these, oh, honey, wait a minute. What is this doing? Look at this. It's like ruching down the legs, but it makes it look like, oh yeah, okay. Okay, this is going to be fun. This is going to be fun to style. I got these in a size 3X. And these are the Shein Curve. And they do have stretch to them. You guys. Okay. Yes. Evidently, I had something in mind when I got them. So we're going to see what happens. I cracked myself up. Uh, because, like I said, I pushed this stuff over in the corner. So the only thing that I really remembered was the hat. So it's all messed up. Um, I do have a cousin who has a hat shop. He sells all kind of hats, and maybe he can tell me what to do. This looks like a top. Here we go with these little bitty pieces of paper again. It is. Okay. I'm looking because it looks like it has a mark on it. This is kind of like a, it puts me in the mind of a Henley. But that's what this is. And this is a size, you guys, this is 3X. So we'll see about that. Those last jeans, I like the darker wash because I feel like that it makes you appear a little smaller. And I really like it in the wintertime, the darker wash. Anyway, I digress. Let's keep going. Oh, okay. This is, I believe, a sweater. Little paper. Okay, you guys. Now, let me say this about this. If I remember correctly, I think this is kind of like an off-the-shoulder deal as well. However, I really thought it was thicker. Let me bring that closer. It's not bad, but I thought it was thicker than this. But this is cute. So, this might be, okay, this is the back right here. And this is the front. You got the crisscrossing going on in the front. I know it's kind of hard to see. But this might be one of those sweaters where you can turn it around backwards and create another look. I'm going to have to try when I try it on. I got this in, I can't believe that. Where's the sizes? Well, okay. I got it in a 1X. And I think this is not just longer than a crop top, I do believe. But I love these colors in here. Yes, I love those colors. So anyway, that's this piece. We have one more piece in the box, but hold on. I need to get that other piece that they sent me separate. You guys, I think it is so cute. So hold on a second. Okay, so here's the piece they sent separate. I guess because, I don't know why. But look at this. This, I know it looks super wrinkled, but I can see some looks going on with this. You see, oh, this is definitely a crop top, but it's the faux leather. I wouldn't even call it faux leather. It's that, what are they calling it? Let's see what they're calling it. 90% polyester and 10% elastane. And it is machine washable. So yeah, anyway, that's this little top. I see some looks with this. I see some looks. I see different looks. See it with a pencil skirt. I see it with some high-waisted pants. Because you know I'm not trying to show all that. Okay. So that's that piece. This is our last piece. And I think it may be, because it's still rather thick, I think it's more than one piece. Yes, 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 yes. I have been looking at this. You guys know I love a turtleneck. So this is kind of a mock neck. And this material is, they're making me have to hunt for everything. The material is 100% polyester. So, can you see that? And then it comes with a midi skirt. Now, on the thin side to you guys. Anyway, I love this look because with these two pieces, you can dress this up, dress it down. You can put sneakers on with it and make it more casual. You can put on your pumps and go out, you know, hang with your girls, get some cocktails, put on some booties with it. We're going to style this up really, really cute in the next video. Uh, so yes, I am loving this. And the color is like an oatmeal. I don't know what color it's coming off on camera, but it's like an oatmeal color. So that is this little haul, unboxing haul, whatever you want to call it, that I thought I would oh yes, that's thin. Um, that I thought I'd share with you guys. But this is so cute. This is so, so cute. We can always remedy the thinness of it by what we put on underneath. So let me make sure. Yep, that's it for the crammed box. So I will should I list everything in the description box or wait till I do the styling of these pieces? Yeah, I'll go ahead and list it in the description box so you can get a better look to see how it looks. I think some of them models are wearing, and there may be a couple of pieces where the models, oh wait, my light, where the models aren't, there we go. Let's see. Where the models aren't wearing. But anyway, I'll have everything in the description box. So I hope you saw something that make you go, oh, well, I think I can rock that. Let me go check that out. So anyway, you guys know what I love to say. It's been fun, and I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.